Well, figured I'd give a little update. So, same speakers. Actually, I had a spare one of the VR-10s. I sent it up to GR Research, and they're gonna give it a nice upgrade. The crossover components inside should clear up the vocals and everything quite a bit. Same towers, same receiver. Still get these pointed up. I like the way that sounds. Kind of washes the wall. I enjoy that. And I got a subwoofer now. I actually got it for $70. Worth it. This thing really has some nice accurate bass. But yeah, I got that moderate volume, not too crazy. And we're just going to do a little sound demo.
First to the T.
First to the A.
H, are you seeing this?
Yeah, I see it. That's Kadena's bike from Akira. It's a licensed skin over standard frame.
No, not the bike. Forget the bike. The girl. I think it's Artemis.
The Artemis? The Sixer Fixer?
I've seen all her...
Can't play it for too long, but you get a good idea. Sounds fantastic. I'll do another update once the new speaker comes in. Well, the upgraded speaker. I think it's really going to add some clarity to vocals and stuff. Woo!